Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Mr. V the Architect. Today we are looking at how to draw a window and door using AutoCAD. First, let's make a layer. Layer properties, then new layer. Let's name the first one is window. Then change the color, choose whatever you want. And the second one is door. Also the same. Change your color. Then go to your layers. Let's draw the first one is door. Let's make a rectangle, the first point, then press on D, then space, then let's make it 0.05 by 1 meter. Now let's make a circle from the center, 1 meter, the same 1 meter, then trim all of these. Let's draw a window. Let's make a window from layers, the same rectangle, D, 1 meter by 0.3. Let's draw a line from the center, then offset 0.025. Also another line from the center, the same offset, then trim these lines and this one and this one, and here is our window. If you want to make it more realistic, go to layer properties, then a new layer. Let's make it hidden line, then go to color. Let's make it gray, then press OK, then go to line type, go to load. Let's choose the dash line. Let's make this one, then press OK and choose it, then press OK. Then close the window, choose hidden line, press line,